Okay, today we're going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Insignia TV. Okay, since you're watching this, you're probably having some problem with your Insignia TV and you'd like to reset it so you can get it working again. Now, I am going to show you in a second how to do that factory reset. But I usually recommend on most of my videos trying what they call a soft reset first, because that factory reset will basically wipe your set clean and any settings, any apps and everything that you have on there you'll need to reload. So you should probably try, if possible, the reset I'm going to describe here, the soft reset first. If that does not work, I'll go on with the hard reset, the factory reset, and then that should take care of your problem. Now the soft reset is real easy to do. That's all you need to do is unplug the TV from the wall. Don't turn it off by the remote. Unplug it from the wall. Wait about 60 seconds and then plug it back in. In most cases, this will solve, believe it or not, a lot of your problems. Okay, if that didn't solve your problem, we're going to show you how to do that factory reset right now. For most models out there, including the Fire TV, to do this, you would press the Home button, go to Settings, select Device and Software, and then reset to factory defaults. For some of the other or less popular Insignia TV models, you can do the factory reset with the instructions listed here.